Yeah, well, this is a question for all of you again. Have any of you got any tips for aspiring young performers, sort of personal tips?
You know, young performers, what I could suggest, with experience, because, I was also young and crazy and and thinking that, my energy was enough or whatever. But I think what I could suggest is to look more in the scores, to look to the other parts and to really study the music, what we call the partitur in German, the whole orchestra score, and really listen more to the harmony if we talk about young solists, because being myself a conductor and also a leader with the violin, I have sometimes to, of course, accompany young players, which I do with great pleasure. Sometimes they could have more conscious of the collective and the vertical aspect of music and not only the horizontal aspect.
Okay.
That's a tip, let's say.
Thank you. Nicola?
Yeah, I completely agree with everything, obviously. I guess maybe not for already soloists, but for young people, beginning to play, I think. Well, with the violin, assuming that from the beginning it's going to be lots of fun is probably the wrong way to begin because it's really tough and so much practice is required and a lot of stages to go through before the music really becomes very satisfying and fulfilling. And I think so practice every day. There's my tip.
Well, yeah, I agree, of course, with the two of them, and
a happy medium, maybe.
Yeah. But the most important thing about it is having fun. Of course, it's not always easy, but basically finding the fun things about music. And of course, it's not at the beginning because you first have to get used to your instrument and things. But then the best thing would be to have a good teacher who can show you that. Of course, it's not always easy, but also I think this is something very important, so that you have somebody to show you what the really precious thing about music is, and then try to find it. And you basically can start as soon as you can do anything if somebody shows you that. And this is the thing which is important, because you can't be a good musician if you don't find these fun things about it. And this is also what the audience somehow wants to hear. They want to hear somebody who is fun and who is not just doing work or just playing the piece like it says in the score. You also have to be creative and use your fantasy for all the piece and the performing it.
That was Jerome Coca, Daniela Koch and Nicola Benedetti before they went off to perform an exciting concert of Bach, Mozart and Vivaldi. Come along to Venue Cymru on the 6th of February at 6:30 p.m. for the next pre-concert interview. This time, pianist Natasha Peremsky discusses Beethoven's Emperor Concerto. For more information, please see our website www.venuecymru.co.uk. Thank you for listening.